Is that fun? Do you like your cars? Naya, do you like your cars? Naya, how big are you? Ooh. Can you say tickle tickle? Can you say peekaboo?
Peekaboo!
Naya, say peekaboo.
Peekaboo! He said peekaboo.
He is, isn't he? You're saying peekaboo too.
Peekaboo!
Are you giving him a kiss on his cheek, Ada? Thank you. I think he wants to play with his cars, Adalyn.
What?
I think he just wants to play with his cars.
Those are cool cars. Oh, they're Tonka red.
Stop sign. So, what stop sign?
That is so funny.
Where's the other car?
Oh, little boy, right away.
Yeah, he just knows how to play with them.
If he wants to, like she could get